Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to understand how to use Google Bard AI on your phone. So by the end of this video, you're going to understand how to use Google Bard. You can use Bard to help move your ideas forward. With a little help from Bard, you can do things like brainstorm ideas, develop a plan, or find different ways to get things done. Get a quick, easy to understand summary of more complex topics and create first drafts of outlines, emails, blog posts, poems, and much more. You will need a personal Google account, be 18 or over, and a supported browser. Do not rely on Bard's responses as medical, legal, and financial or other professional advice. Bard's responses don't represent Google's views and should not be attributed to Google. You are responsible for your use of code, which may be subject to an open source license. Bard may give inaccurate or inappropriate information. On your Android phone or tablet, go to bard.google.com, which is this link. If you're not already signed in, sign with a Google account. In the text box at the bottom, enter your question or prompt, and optionally, if you want to add a photo, you can tap by doing the upload image, and tap submit. And that is the easiest way for you to start a conversation with Bard AI, and these are some of the examples to get you started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.